Okay, today is October 30, year 2025. Today is the first day of our demolition job. Okay, so this is day 1. Then tomorrow I'll let you we'll make another video and see how their accomplishment. Okay. So this is day 1. Okay. Okay, I just purchased two chipping gun, 2-unit chipping gun. Ayan. It's already 8:30. Okay. Okay, this is how it looked like.
Salitan tayo pag napagod ako naman.
Daya, excuse lang ha. I-document ko lang dito yung day 1. Tapos bukas another video ulit. Pakita ko lang sa sa mama ko. Yan. So they will start from the inside. Yan, lakas oh. Yan mga contractor ko. Puro mayayaman yan. Alam mo yung mga contractor, yayaman no? Okay. So they start from the inside first. Yan. Labale, sige. Okay, kaya nang bahala dyan. At least na-record na. Dito. Dito muna kasi mamaya wala pa takip kaya delikado Okay. Ayun lang sila kayo mag-aalmusal. Kailangan heavy almusal ninyo kasi kailangan ng energy. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.